Hmm.
Did you see? I send you to today chapter-wise paper question, chapter-wise question. Did you, did you see that?
Yeah, I saw two videos. Yeah,
Yeah, two file
two
I've sent.
videos. Yeah,
No, no, two file I have sent you. Chapter-wise exam-based
yeah, I
question.
saw. I saw.
You must go through that question. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now see from here. So can you write about it? Discuss the benefit of using point of sale in the retail industry.
Okay.
So you are writing answer.
Yeah. Okay.
Take a screenshot.
Your screen stop sharing.
Okay. Take a screenshot. Can you take screenshot?
Screenshot done.
Yeah.
I have to write from the screenshot, or you are sharing your screen again.
So did you take screenshot of question?
Yeah, I took screenshot.
So you write answer. Then let me know.
Can this be faster and more efficient?
Okay. Any else?
Payments.
Next point.
Yeah, one faster and more efficient. Should this be 1 point or it can be 2 points?
2 points. There must be 2 points.
Okay, so one is faster and second more efficient, and third is quick payments.
Okay. 4 points.
4 marks. I will mention 4 points. Yeah.
Okay. Wait a second. One second, I'll show you that.
Mm.
Now see here. By electronically, it is visible to you.
Yeah. By
It, yeah.
electronically.
Okay. Tracking the sale of goods, the industry could know when to order item, so that goods do not run out of the store. This is benefit according to management business. The point of sale system allow a business to identify which products are selling well or selling badly. Okay. So
Mm.
they can see the trend of the product. So products do not run out or left off the shelves. Through this identification, a business can increase the order of profitable products and reduce unmarketable inventory. So business can know about the trend of the product. It is going up or down. Increases
Mm.
speed of transaction as the checkout staff do not need to enter the price each item. Okay. Price is already stored in computer. Itemized bill can be generated on screen and printed for customer. This is another advantage. It allows self-checkout, which means less staff are needed, therefore reducing staff cost. You got it?
Yes.
Let's see next. Describe the steps involved in automatic stock control when the item is sold at point of sale terminal. There are 6 marks. Take a screenshot.
Done.
Try to write.
Oh, it's just like AIM or different.
Is it different? Why did you say?
POS and ATM.
Can you write? No. Can you write?
Yeah, I can write, but I'm asking what's the difference between POS and ATM?
ATM. ATM is different. ATM is different. It is asking about point of sale terminal. Means superstore. Do you know? Have you gone?
It is where you enter. Yeah, it
Yeah,
is when you enter the credit card and it will ask you your PIN,
no,
that
that
one.
is a payment. That is
Or
only
without PIN.
no, that is only payment. Point of sale means you put your stock, put your product you have purchased on point on terminal. Okay, and the staff at terminal will take your product. They will itemize the bill. Okay. Let's say describe the step involved in automatic stock control when item is sold at a point of sale terminal. So how automatic stock control perform?
First, the customer will choose everything that they want to purchase.
Okay.
After that, the cashier at the reception will scan everything, the barcode reader, all the items.
Okay.
After that, the price is calculated in the system. After that, the receptionist asks the customer whether you want to pay through online or cash,
No, listen,
and then
it is asking what? Automatic stock control. How stock control is automatically being performed.
yes, so the customer will be asked for their card,
Okay.
and once the payment is approved, the system will make a receipt and hand it over to the customer.
Okay, next.
After that, once the purchase is done in the inventory of the supermarket or the store, the system is updated, and at the end of the month, it will show all the products sold and profit and everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I show you that. Okay. Then you can now see. You have to write according to barcode reader. No? It said the barcode on goods are scanned at the checkout. First step. The item code is searched in the stock database. Database means software which is running on the computer. When the item is found, the number sold of that item is read. The number in stock is reduced
Yeah.
by this number. Okay. So it is subtracted by 1
Okay.
every time. If the number in stock is lower than the reorder, if the number in stock is lower than the reorder or present value, then a message is sent to automatically reorder stock. So there is a point of reorder and what you have to place another order to the supplier. When the new stock arrived, database is
Yeah.
updated with the new stock. Quantity available will be increased when new stock arrives. Generate a report on selling trends. Got that?
Yeah.
This is the way how to update your stock control. Okay.
Okay.
Now see this one.
Which one?
I told you that. Now see this one. Just go through the question. Now it is related to practical part of spreadsheet.
Yeah, I can tell.
Read the question carefully.
Teacher is creating the spreadsheet as an electronic markbook. Part of the electronic markbook displays how well a student did on a piece of work. When a student completes a piece of work, the teacher will enter the mark into the electronic markbook and a message will be displayed. If the student gains 60 or more marks, then merit is displayed. 50 to 59, then pass is displayed. If the student gains marks 50 marks or below, then not pass is displayed. The formula the teacher has used is IF. This question actually came in my practical exam also.
Okay.
In the question, it asks traffic. If the traffic number is more than 500, it will be high traffic, medium traffic, and low traffic.
What will be the answer?
Explain the steps that will be needed to take test the formula, including your answer, any test data used, and the reason why these are chosen. Not sure for this one.
You don't know how to answer?
Yeah.
Now see it. First, it's tell, enter the test data, run the formula. If actual output does not match expected value, make correction to formula, retest the formula. These are the steps it was asking. Because it
So
was,
only these for 5 marks.
yeah, God says, explain the step that need to be taken to test the formula. Obviously, first of all, you will enter test data, okay? According to this, if the student gains 60 or more marks, you will check. First, you will run your program, okay? And you will check these criteria are being met or not. Okay, if it is not showing the result according to the if A1 is greater than 60 merit, it should show merit, it should show pass, it should show not pass. These are the requirements should be shown on screen. If it is not shown on screen, but it says enter test data, like you will enter 60, 50, 80, run the formula. Obviously, you have put the formula in Excel. If actual output does not match expected value, so you are expecting that above greater than 60 is merit, less than 50 is fail. Make correction of two formula. Retest the formula. That is
Yeah.
okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Now see this one.
When the teacher enters a marks of 50, he expects pass to be displayed. Set the changes you need to make to the formula to it should be uh, greater than or equal to 50.
Okay.
Formula.
It says change A1 to 50 to A1 greater than 50. Change A1 greater than 50 to A1 greater than 49.
Yeah.
You can perform such kind. A1 means the cell address where you put the formula.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now see this one.
Drawing live data is the when you know what the answer is for the data, but then you still recheck it to find out whether the system is properly functioning or not.
Okay, see this. Real data relating to tests that have been carried out previously to ensure that the electronic mark book should work with real data. So live data means actual data.
So the previous one I said that was wrong.
Actually, your voice was lagging. So what did you say like that?
Wait, I can repeat. I said that live data is when you know what the correct data is, but then you still recheck it with live data so that you can know if your system
Now, see the
is
description.
properly
See,
functioning or not.
see description. Real data relating to tests that have been carried out previously.
Okay,
Okay. And to ensure that the electronic mark book should work with real data. Real data means actual data given by the company. Okay. Because you can put artificial data also, fake data. So you can check your program. But by entering a real data, that will tell you how
right.
software is working or not. Okay. Now see this one.
Yeah. Okay. Meant by audio call where
Audio conferencing. Can you
uh,
write on chat? Can you write on
meetings we have around
can you write on chat because your voice is lagging?
chat. Okay.
So have you done?
Yes, I wrote in chat.
Okay. Audio conferencing is online meeting which can hold multiple members all around the world, and in audio conferencing only audio can be took place. Audio conferences usually take place between business plan offices, school meeting and questions. Okay. So I show you that. Okay, see here. Audio conferencing is where two or more people in different locations use technology to hold an audio call. Okay. All the participants dial into a central
Mine was
system.
correct.
Yeah, that was also right. Yeah. All the participants dial into a central system that connect them, remove the need to directly call each other. These are basic point. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Now see this one. The organization could
Hmm.
use video conferencing for the meeting. Describe three advantages of using audio conferencing rather than video conferencing in this scenario. Describe three advantages of using audio conferencing rather than video conferencing in this scenario.
So is my voice clear? I have to
Yeah,
chat. Again.
no, it is lagging. Sometimes when you start speaking, it becomes lagging. Can you write on chat?
So now my voice is audible, or I write in chat.
Write on chat.
Okay, I'll write on chat.
Take a screenshot.
Okay, I'll write on chat.
No, take screenshot. Did you take a screenshot? Done.
Yes, done.
Yes, have you done? So you say audio conferences usually require lesser stable internet, okay, connection rather than video conference. Only one? Okay, only one advantage? It says three.
I'm writing the third one. There is three.
Okay, it says three. You have written only one. The second, they are more
Yeah, I
cost.
wrote three. Check the
Okay,
chat again.
yeah, second one is also they are most cost
Check
effective.
the chat again. I wrote three.
Wait a second. It shows two advantage. You have given two. So they are more cost effective since don't need to invest in a good webcam or internet connection. Okay,
The
third one.
third one is still there.
Yeah, there are given two advantages. Now third one, now right now third one. Okay. So most of the people feel audio
Third
conferences
one
have,
also I wrote.
okay. I'm reading it. Most of the people feel audio conferencing
Third
has,
also done.
yes, most of the people feel audio conferences has better privacy than video conference. Okay. Now I show you that the first one is easier to set up, does not need specialist equipment, therefore saves money. No issue with lip
So are
sync.
these correct?
Yeah, they were also correct. No issue with lip syncing. Less bandwidth needed, therefore reduces hanging or freeze. More privacy as they do not use camera.
What
Okay.
is lip syncing?
Lip syncing means when you speak, your video coming late and your audio coming early. Got my point? Because video is heavy, audio is not heavy, no? So audio data goes early and video data goes later on.
Like for example, it is happening right now.
Yeah, yes. Audio is coming late, but text is going early.
It's like happening right now.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
see
like
next?
that. And also when I'm speaking, you're replying after 15 seconds.
That is a problem. Yes.
So maybe it is internet problem.
Yeah, yes, internet. Okay. Identify the hardware and
Identify the hardware and software required to join the audio conference.
so you can say it, you can say it. Okay. So what are the hardware and software?
Speaker, microphone,
Okay.
speaker, microphone,
And
Zoom, video conference app, for example, Zoom or Google Meet.
okay. So microphone, speaker, telephone handset, audio conferencing software, okay, internet broadband
And
connection.
also
And what about also?
internet connection.
Yeah, it is written here. Now see this question. And this is from
CC
what?
is carbon copy, BCC is a blind carbon copy.
See from here. You got it? This material?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Now take screenshot. You can write on chat.
Screenshot of what?
This question. Write on chat.
Okay.
Done.
Done. First of all, what is a forum and a blog?
So why did you say?
What is a forum or a blog?
Either a forum or a blog for his class. You know that blog, a written material for everyone.
A blog, I know. Forum.
Forum or blog same. Forum means when you have a same interest. Group of people who have a same interest. Okay.
Hmm.
Forum is a group of people who has a same interest.
Yes. Not sure. Can I see the answer sheet?
Did you write on chat?
No, I only wrote what forum and blog is.
You don't know about forum and blog?
I know what they are, but I didn't understand the question. So yeah.
No, it said describe the benefit of using a forum rather than a blog.
Yeah, can you show me benefits?
Okay. Like it says in forum, posts are in chronological order, therefore it makes it easier to find replies or data. So in forum,
Oh,
it
what's
is
chronological order?
sequence order, chronological order as it comes, as it shows. In forum, easier for student to start new topic, subtopic, or forum, ask question or give answer. Topic or subtopic cannot be created in a blog by the student. Blog is only readable. Forum are moderated by
Yeah.
an administrator. Forum are moderated by an administrator. Forum are checked before they are published. In forum, students generate the content rather than leaving messages on a named topic. Many students develop the direction of the forum rather than one person. So in forum, everyone can contribute, or in blog, only the content creator write the blog, whereas the reader or follower can comment on a blog. A forum would allow private messaging as well as to all the groups. Forum is interactive mode.
Yeah.
You can say forum is a kind of interactive.
But in blog, it is just like a story.
Yeah, it's just like a story. You can only read the story. You can leave the comment. Other thing you cannot contribute.
Can you leave the comment in blog?
Yeah, but forum is interactive. Forum is a interactive mode. Got that?
Yeah.
Many books contain a gutter margin. Explain what is meant by gutter margin. You know gutter margin? It is a word.
Well,
It is from word.
what? Is it like column margin?
No, it's a gutter margin on the left side. You leave some space, extra space for binding.
Yeah, I remember. Like centimeters of space from the
On the
left
left,
side
on the,
of the.
yeah. Use an extra space, add extra space to the inside or top margin. Help to ensure that text is not obscured by the binding. If you do binding,
But here, where is left written?
normally left, it says inside. Add extra space to the inside or top margin. It can be on top, normally it is on the left. You can place a extra space on top or left.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now see this way. A web page has an attached style sheet in the head section and also has an inline style attribute in the body section. Explain why the inline style attribute is used. And now it is from CSS.
This is also practical.
Yeah, practical question.
Yes, yes.
Web authoring.
Inline style attribute. Is it like a part of a style sheet?
Yeah. It is asking what inline.
Maybe to change the font of the paragraph,
See here.
font style or size.
Now it says inline style. It would have a higher hierarchy than external style sheet.
What's
Inline
hierarchy?
hierarchy means top to bottom. Like if talk about a school, principal, there is a vice principal, then there is a head teacher, then there is a subject teacher. This is the hierarchy. So if
Yeah.
there is a conflict on an element, then the inline statute will apply. It says if there is a conflict on an element, then the inline style attribute will apply. If it
What
applies,
kind of conflict?
hmm, conflict means
What
conflict of,
kind of conflict?
it says if there is a conflict on an element, it is talking about element, then the inline style attribute will apply. It applies style attributes that do not appear in the external style sheet. The inline style attribute
Yeah.
apply to one single web page. Okay, inline means applying attribute on the single page. External style sheet apply to whole many pages, can be applied on many pages.
Yes.
Okay. So this paper is finished.
Right.
Okay. So I will send you two more chapter wise question. Have you gone through chapter wise question?
Yeah, I'm still doing them. I did today. Uh,
You also read chapters, okay? You should read material from paper book, okay? And also see chapter wise question which I am sending you.
chapter 7.
I have sent you chapter 1 and 2 exam based question.
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yeah, the two folders that you sent today. Yeah.
Yes. I will send you video of today lecture, okay? So you can see it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your one YouTube video went got a 13K view.
Yes.
uh, ICT in business.
ICT and business.
In business. Yeah, most viewed on your channel.
Okay. So I will send you this today's videos, okay? You can watch it again.
Okay.
So see you on Tuesday, okay? So till that, go through the material from book, and I will send you
Mhm.
more exams based question. So enough for today.
Yeah.
See you on Tuesday. Okay.
Okay.